Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate vinyl design templates in Cricut Design Space. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Cricut Design Space on your computer or mobile device. Log in to your Cricut account. Navigate to the canvas area. Click on the Templates button found in the left sidebar. In the Templates menu, select Vinyl under the material type. Choose your preferred vinyl design template from the available options. Click on the template to add it to your canvas. Resize the template if necessary by clicking and dragging the corners. Once satisfied with the size, click on Edit in the top toolbar. Select the Fill option to choose a color for your design. Adjust the colors as needed to match your project. Now, you can add text or images on top of the template. To add text, click on the Text tool in the left sidebar. Type your desired text in the text box. Use the font options in the top toolbar to customize the font style. Position the text within the template by clicking and dragging. If you want to add images, click on the Images button. Search for images in the library or upload your own. Select your preferred image and click Insert Images. Resize and position the image within the template as needed. Once your design is complete, click on Make It in the top right corner. Follow the prompts to select your material type. Load your vinyl into the cutting machine. Review the cut settings and confirm your selections. Click on Go to start the cutting process. Once the cutting is finished, carefully remove the vinyl. Weed out the excess vinyl using a weeding tool. Apply transfer tape over your design for easy application. Position the design onto your desired surface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.